Today's First Alert weather.
And in heat like this, you don't have to be outside very long before you feel like you need a break.
Yeah, heat and humidity too. I'd take a break from either. I'll just take one maybe.
Yeah. Do you think anybody's going to ask for light ice today? No. Drink with light, not at all. Frozen drinks of any sort would be nice. Ice cream's pretty good too.
Yeah.
You get the idea, right? City View cameras are looking right downtown. We have not even a cloud in the sky, 97 degrees. Yeah, but the real story, as we just talked about with Matt and Kelly, is the humidity. 43% doesn't sound like a lot, but when you have a temperature this warm, not too bad to get, doesn't take much to get that heat index over 100, 106 currently. We have a southwest wind at 17 with a gust to 25 miles an hour. Here you go. Looking at the entire region, the peak heat index expected today anywhere between 108, 110. That's part of the reason why we decided to issue an impact day, and also one on the books for tomorrow too, because it's not going to be much of a change from what you see here. Everybody, once again, in triple digit land. Temperatures themselves also close to triple digits, 101 for Lawrence in the shade. Remember, the temperature is measured in the shade about 5 feet off the ground, usually over grass. So this is not asphalt, concrete, and sunshine. This is in the shade. 99 Olathe, 96 in Cameron, 97 in Chillicothe, and 102 is the current heat index, as you see right now in Warrensburg, 102 for Atchison, 104 for Hiawatha. Clouds and radar, not seeing much in the way of cloudiness. Most of that is confined to Nebraska and Iowa, but that's where we're going to focus our attention for our chances of rain coming through maybe late tonight, more likely tomorrow afternoon. Heat index still in triple digits until about 9 o'clock. Then it goes down to 96. Not much relief there. 87 the temperature at 11 and the heat index of 93. Clouds will start to invade a little bit. Low temperatures by tomorrow morning, not that low at all. Upper 70s to near 80 degrees to begin the day, so you know it's not going to take much to get us even higher than that. High temperature 94, 97 for Warrensburg, 96 for Atchison with a persistent southerly wind. Here's a 12-hour forecast looking tomorrow. 10 in the morning, we'll already have a heat index of 91, mid to upper 90s by 2 in the afternoon. There you see those impacts definitely in the afternoon hours, with the high being so warm in the 90s. With the front coming through, there is a chance of some severe thunderstorms. A couple could get this strong to produce 50, 60 mile an hour gusts, quarter-size hail, and heavy downpours underneath some of those cells. This is in everything you see in the yellow. Not a slam dunk, but there is that possibility. First alert future scan picking up pre-dawn. As I mentioned, 1 or 2 may come through during the early morning hours, clear out by afternoon, then the atmosphere reloads. We'll focus our attention over northwest Missouri, northeast Kansas. Those are the ones that could move down late tomorrow evening, but starting to trail off by Wednesday, and that's when we have refreshing, cooler, we'll call it less humid, and not too bad really, closer to normal with a high temperature of 86 on Wednesday. Thursday, another chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the afternoon, high of 84. Then back into the soup. 92 on Friday, 85 on Saturday. Just can't seem to make up its mind. Staying in the 80s until it starts to warm up before the next holiday, being the 4th. Back into the 90s we go, and morning temperatures back into the 70s.